Today we're going to be taking a look at the Artlii Enjoy 2 Mini HD Projector. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Going right into the features, it's a native 720p projector that also supports 1080p. It has a brightness of 5000 lux, a contrast ratio of 3000 to 1. Depending on your placement of the projector, you could get up to 300 inches. If needed, you have a 15-degree manual vertical keystone correction, 55,000 hours of lamp life, Bluetooth support to connect external speakers, and screen mirroring using Wi-Fi. First out of the box, we have a padded travel case, the instruction manual and the warranty card, the AV cable for RCA connections, an HDMI cord, the power cord to plug in your projector, the remote, and the projector itself. Take a closer look at the projector. It comes in a compact size of 8 inches by 6 inches and a height of 3.5 inches. On the top of the projector, we have the physical controls, which includes the directional arrows and OK button, the power button and the back button, and the input selection and menu buttons. Also located on the top, there's 2 manual adjustments. One is the focus ring to adjust the image clarity, and the other is the vertical keystone correction to adjust the image shape. Just keep in mind, if you need to use the keystone correction, you may end up with some blurring as shown in this clip. On the front, we have a 2-inch lens along with the infrared sensor. On the left-hand side, we have the power connector. On the back, we have our VGA input, an infrared sensor, and our speaker. On the other side of the projector, you'll find an air vent along with a variety of inputs, including a 3.5mm audio jack, an AV input for your RCA connections, 2 USB ports, one which supplies up to 5 volts, an HDMI connection, and a standard SD card slot. On the bottom of the projector, we have 4 rubberized feet to keep it from sliding. In the center, we have the option to tripod mount your projector. And at the front, we have an adjustable screw to angle the projector. Each time you turn on the projector, this is going to be your home screen, unless you go through your setup and you change the defaults. But since we're here, let's start going through each of them, and we'll start off with media. When selecting this option, you'll need to make sure that you have your USB drive or SD card connected. From here, you'll be able to access all your videos, music, pictures, and text located on the drive or SD card slot that you have connected. Now, you'll want to make sure when playing videos that your format type is supported. During my testing, I found that most videos played well, but some received an unsupported audio type. So keep that in mind if you're packing up a drive to go. Next, we'll head over to the setup menu, where you can configure your Wi-Fi connection so you can utilize screen mirroring as well as over-the-air updates. Under Bluetooth, you could scan all available Bluetooth devices to stream audio to. Projection allows you to select how your image is going to be displayed based on your physical setup. For example, if you were to ceiling mount it, you would need to select ceiling front or rear. Advanced allows you to choose a bunch of defaults, including your language selection, as well as your boot source. For the last tab, information is exactly what it says it is. It provides information about the projector. Going into sources, we'll be able to select whether to use HDMI, VGA, or AV. Under the image menu located at the bottom, we can select from a number of default image modes, including soft, vivid, user, and standard. And during this review, I'll be using standard mode. Aspect ratio gives you the option to choose between 16:9, 4:3, and auto. Personally, I leave mine at 16:9 as I'm not watching any old videos. Adjusting the brightness, contrast, color, and sharpness. These are the settings that you'll define for your user image mode. The last option on the image menu is digital zoom, which adjusts the picture size being displayed. Under the sound menu, you could tweak your audio preferences to tailor to your audio experience that you prefer. Going back to the home screen, I'm going to go straight into the screen mirroring test for Android devices, as I don't have a DLNA server set up or an iOS device to test with. Even though I don't have an iOS device to test with, it should be the same experience as the Android device. From my use, the screen sharing experience worked very well. There was only one instance where the voice didn't sync up, and all I had to do was disconnect and then reconnect again. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Roomba i7 model 7150. Robot vacuum's been around for some time, and I finally decided to pick one up. Because it comes with imprint smart mapping technology, I went for the Roomba i7. The audio you just heard came directly from the projector, and I found it wasn't overly loud. In a smaller room, I don't see this being an issue, but if you're looking to take this into a bigger area where people are spread out, you may want to hook up an external speaker. I'm currently projecting at a distance of 7 feet, which is giving me a display size of 72 inches. With my setup, the projected image remained quite clear, and I noticed no major blur in the corners. If you're looking to use this projector with the lights on, it does get pretty drowned out, which is going to take away from the viewing experience. But if you have it set up somewhere with some ambient light or complete darkness, you'll enjoy the experience. When it came to gaming, I thought it did very well. But for the gamers out there where input lag matters, on the left I've set up a laptop that's outputting directly to the projector via HDMI. Just pause the video at random points to calculate the input lag between the laptop and the projector in milliseconds. Now it isn't a perfect test, but it should help. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. All the product links can be found in the description down below. And since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.